Good day, children. Sai Ram. Children, in previous period, that is, before your exams, I had started with a new poem. Do you remember which is that poem? Yes, poem number 11, No Pencil. Yes, do you remember? Yes, in part 1, we have learnt the new words and I explained you about the poem. Yes. Now, today we will continue the remaining part. First, we'll revise the new words once. Okay, once only we are going to revise the new words. Number 1, pencil. 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 Number 2, marker. 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 Number 3, paintbrush. 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 Number 4, pen. Pen. Number 5, nothing. 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 Number 6, draw. 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 Number 7, blue. Blue. Number 8, paint. Paint. Number 9, green. Green. Number 10, pink. Pink. Number 11, red. Red. Number 12, color. Color. Number 13, head. Head. Number 14, away. Away. Number 15, again. Again. Okay? So children, we have finished drilling the new words once. Children, I am going to teach you the poem in rhythm and action. So first, you will listen and observe the teacher. Then after that, you will repeat. Okay? So listen and observe properly. So let us start with the poem. Poem number 11, No Pencil. Poem number 11, No Pencil. Okay. No pencil, no marker, no paintbrush, no pen, no nothing to draw with or paint with again. No blue paint, no green paint, no pink paint, no red. Mum takes them away when I color my head. Okay? Once more. Poem number 11, No Pencil. No pencil, no marker, no paintbrush, no pen, no nothing to draw with or paint with again. No blue paint, no green paint, no pink paint, no red. Mum takes them away when I color my head. Okay? Once more. So children, you have to listen and observe properly. See how teacher is saying the poem. Okay. Poem number 11. No pencil. No pencil, no marker, no paintbrush, no pen. No nothing to draw with or paint with again. No blue paint, no green paint, no pink paint, no red. Mum takes them away when I colored my head. Okay? Children, you have to learn this poem by heart. Okay? Teacher will be asking this poem anytime. So you should be ready. You have to say the poem, action and in rhythm. Okay? You are going to say the poem with action and in rhythm. Okay? Now I will ask you few questions based on this poem. Number 1. Name the colors mentioned in the poem. Now which are the colors in this poem? Can you tell me? Name the colors mentioned in this poem. Yes, blue, green, pink and red. These are the 4 colors mentioned in this poem. So which are the colors? Blue, green, pink and red. Number 2. Why does the child's mother take away his painting materials? Can you tell me? Why does this child's mother take away his painting materials? Yes, the child's mother takes away his painting materials because he colors his head, right? He colors his head, that's why his mother takes away the painting materials. Why does the child's mother take away his painting materials? The child's mother take away his painting materials because he colored his head. Okay? Now, children, we have finished the poem. We are going to do the textbook activity. You are going to remove your New Voices textbook and take your pencil, eraser and take out open page number 88. Page number 88. And at the top of that, you are going to write today's date. First, you are going to write today's date. Okay? So, take your New Voices textbook, open page number 88. And you are going to write with the teacher in the good handwriting. Okay? This is the New Voices textbook activity. First write today's date at the top of the page and then you start writing with the teacher. Okay? See the first head question. Choose the correct options to complete the sentences. First one is, the child did not have any. Options are given: drawing book, pencil or bag. What he didn't have? Drawing book, pencil or bag? Yes, pencil. He didn't have pencil because mummy took his pencil and the colors also, no? So, put a tick on pencil. The box is given beside the pencil. You are going to put a tick. So, write pencil on the blank space and tick on in the box. Okay? Be quick. Write a spelling P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Next question. Number 2. The child did not have any dash paint. Options are brown, grey and pink. So the child did not have any which paint? Which color paint? Yes, pink. Pink paint. So write pink in the blank space and tick on pink box. Okay? Be quick, children. Number 3. The child's dash takes away his things. The child's dash takes away his things. Father, mother or sister. So who takes away his things? Father takes, mother takes or sister takes? Yes, mother. So write mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, and put a tick on the box of mother. Be quick, children. Finished? Now we'll move to the next question. Now here circle the letter that makes the consonant sound D. Okay? So you have to circle the letter that makes the consonant sound D. The first one, bed. Circle D. Second one, bud. Circle D. Number 3, lid. Circle D. Then number 4, said. Circle D. Number 5, pod. Circle D. Number 6, seed. Circle D. Okay? Do it fast. Now, next one. B question. Circle the letters that make the last two sounds EAD, id. Okay? Now, like bread. Bread, you are going to circle EAD, bread. Then, last, circle the letters that make the last two sounds. Okay? Dread. Next number is dread. Again EAD. Dread. Then thread. TREAD. Again EAD. Number 4. Stick. EAD. Next. Circle thread. THREAD. Again here EAD. Okay. Then number 6, ahead. EAD. Be quick. Over. I will go to the next question. Now see the next question. Match the given letters to the words where they appear. So you can see the words on the left hand side and you have to match this word to that word which appears on the right hand side. Now see the number 1, NT. Now you have to see NT, where does it appears. Okay? Now see NT. You can see NT over here. Paint. 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 Again you can see paint. Here also NT we can see. Then any other place we can see NT? No. Now next one is, we'll take another color. NK. Okay, NK. Where can we see NK? In pink. So match with pink. Then again, sink. Any other place can you see NK? No. Now, we'll take another color. Okay. SH. Where can we see SH? Over here. Hush. Then, where else? Brush. And then, bush. Okay. So match in this way. Be quick, children. Finished? I'll go to the next question. Yes, next one is, see the head question. Count the sounds. You have to count the sounds and you have to complete the blanks. Now here's the first one. Mum. There are 3 sounds and 3 letters like M, U M. Mum. Okay. Number 2. Two sounds, two letters. M. Y. Okay. My. Now next one. Third one. Pen. Three sounds, three letters. Pen. P. E. N. Okay. Pen. Next number 4. One sound, one letter. I. Number 5. When. Three sounds, four letters. Here H is silent. A-N. When. Okay. Now next one. Name the pictures. Then fill the blanks with the letters that make short vowel I, E, U sound. So the first one. Look at the picture. Then which vowel we will write here? I. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. Next one, number 2. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Number 3. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Number 4. Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Number 5. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. Number 6. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. Number 7. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. Number 8. Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. Okay. Now the next one. Here underline the letters that make the short O sound and practice the word. So you have to underline the letters that make the short O sound. Like in dog, dog, short O, circle, underline O. Then pot, O, pot. Then number 3, knot, O. Number 4, shot, O. Number 5, cot, O. Number 6, slot, O. Number 5, spot, O. And number 8, flop, O. Okay? Be quick. You go to the next question. Next one is, here, name the pictures. Say the long vowel in each word, then fill the words with letters that make the long vowel A or I sound. Now see the first one. What is that? Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. See the number 2. What is that? Gate. So will come A will come or I? A. Gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Number 3. A will come or I? I. Ice. Number 4. Here also A or I? Ride. R-I-D-E. Ride. Number 5. Here also what will come? A will come or I? I. Bike. Number 6. What will come? L-N-E. What is that? Yes. A or I? I. Line. L-I-N-E. Number 7. A or I? Yes. Time. T-I-M-E. Time. Number 8. What will come? Here also A or I? Raju. What is Raju? Name. So A. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Underline the letters that make the long O sound and practice the words. Bought. Okay. So you're going to underline O-U. O-U. Okay. Bought. Then long O sound it is. Ought. A-U. Ought. Then number 3, again caught, A-U, underline. It makes the long O sound. Next, again number 4, ought, O-U, O-U-G-H-T, ought. Number 5, haunt, again A-U. Number 6, fought, again O-U. Number 7, jaunt, O-A-U. And number 8, again thought, O-U. Okay, underline. Now next one. Now here, what is the question? Fill in the blanks with suitable words with long vowel A or I. Here, number 1, I like to dash my dog for a walk. The first letter is T and the end letter is E. So, what are you going to write here? A, K. Take. I like to take my dog for a walk. Number 2, Daddy and I dash a cake for mummy. The first letter is M and the end letter is E. So, what are you going to write here? Yes, made. Daddy and I made a cake for mummy. Number 3, what dash does the class start? First letter is T and the end letter is E. So, what time? What time does the class start? Number 4, I am riding a dash. First letter is B and letter is E. So, I am riding a bike. I-K. So, I am riding a bike. B-I-K-E. So, children, we have finished with the textbook activity. We have finished the poem. Okay. So, now your homework is you have to first of all you have to finish this textbook activity in your New Voices textbook, and you have to learn this poem by heart. Okay, I am repeating, you have to learn this poem by heart with rhythm and action. Okay, so we will meet in the next period. Have a nice day. Bye.